समूहाचे प्रमुख मुकेश अंबानी
togetherness
बोलतात.
and oneness, and to remember with utmost gratitude my father and our founder chairman, Shri Dhirubhai Ambani. He lives in our hearts now and forever. Let me extend a warm welcome on behalf of my mother Kokila Ben, Nita and myself, Isha and Anand, Akash and Shloka, Anant and Radhika, and above all, our dearest Prithvi. Prithvi is the newest member of our family. Over the last year, he has brought boundless joy to our lives. I am sure all parents and grandparents amongst you have experienced the same joy. This tradition of intergenerational living together is a unique and precious asset of our Indian culture. After all, there is nothing more precious that we can give to our children and grandchildren than love and everlasting memories of that love. At the end of the day, what matters most is not material wealth, but the wealth of love and care we receive and the wealth of love and care that we give to others. We have inherited this unique family culture from our forefathers, and we must preserve this as we modernize. Friends, the world, our nation, our Reliance family have been through a lot during the last 2 years. Of course, now a semblance of normality is slowly returning, but this normalcy is still clouded by uncertainty, which is why we simply cannot afford to lower our guard. I hope that all of you are taking all the precautions to stay safe and stay healthy. For the second year, we are only having a virtual celebration of our Reliance Family Day. I sorely miss the experience of meeting you face to face, greeting all of you with spontaneous laughter, handshakes, and hugs. In 2022, I look forward to meeting all of you sooner than later, physically, and celebrate. Friends, even though these are difficult times, COVID has taught us some important lessons which reinforce my thinking. Our first lesson is always health first. COVID has made all of us more health conscious and fitness conscious. Health is our true wealth. We have now begun to realize it more acutely than ever before. Earning and retaining this wealth of good health is in our own hands. The ingredients are healthy food, good thoughts, good deeds, yoga, meditation, sports, and exercise. Let's make these a habit across our full Reliance family. Let me remind all of you, positivity, optimism, and a can-do attitude creates a positive environment. As leaders, it is our job to create a positive environment, whether in our family or in the company. Our second lesson is safety first. The pandemic has taught us that the safety of each and every one of us is inseparably linked to the safety of all of us. In other words, no one is fully safe in the world unless all of us are fully vaccinated with vaccines that work. I am proud of the safety record of our million-strong Reliance family relative to the world and the country. I must thank Nita and all the spouses for taking the lead in maintaining the safety of our families. Let us continue to ensure the safety of the entire Reliance family, the communities around us, and our nation. Our third lesson is family first. At Reliance, our families are the greatest source of our strength for each and every one of us. During the pandemic, work from home has enabled all of us to spend more quality time with our children, spouse, and parents. In future, technology will offer even more exciting ways of hybrid and virtual work, which means we can work more efficiently, and also devote more time to our families and friends. We can also invest greater amounts of time for cultivating our interests and for enjoying intimacy with nature. This will provide us an opportunity to create an even better work-life balance by focusing on things that matter the most. Let me tell you in all honesty that for me, Reliance as a happy family is as important as Reliance as a super successful company. Dear colleagues, today is also a day for me to thank each and every one of you for your devotion, contribution, commitment, and hard work to Reliance and for making it a stronger company every year. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. When I look back at the past 2 years, my heart is filled with admiration and appreciation for all of you in the Reliance family. Last year, despite the pandemic, we have done remarkable things that has earned us global admiration and respect, whether in business or through our Reliance Foundation. First, we have completely re-engineered our energy and materials business. Now Reliance is poised to become a global leader in clean and green energy and materials. This transformation of our oldest business will provide us the largest growth engine for Reliance and yet another opportunity to many of you to do things that will be for the first time in the world. Second, Reliance Retail has revolutionized organized retail in India. In the past 1 year alone, we have onboarded nearly 1 million small shopkeepers and created over 100,000 new job opportunities and employment. This growth engine will continue to create significant societal value by providing unlimited opportunities for our partners and employees. Third, Jio has gained over 120 million subscribers and brought fiber to nearly 4 million homes and commercial establishments. It has laid the foundation for making India the world's premier digital society. Fourth, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to Neeta and Isha for their leadership for the Reliance Foundation as they rendered mammoth humanitarian services across the nook and corners of our country. The doctors and nurses at our Reliance Foundation Hospital risked their lives to save others. When COVID patients were in dire need of oxygen, our engineers in Jamnagar made Reliance India's largest producer of medical grade oxygen for the entire country. Our team at Reliance Life Sciences enhanced the capacities of testing across multiple locations when the company and the country needed it the most. Our media business colleagues ensured that consumers get their news and entertainment without any interruption. Your families should be proud of all your contributions for the growth of Reliance. I am proud of each and every one of you for going beyond the call of duty. All of you are the true heroes of Reliance. Thank you. My dear Reliance family, on Reliance Family Day, we must recall and rededicate ourselves to the foundational purpose of Reliance. Dhirubhai put it succinctly. The purpose of Reliance is to make India prosperous and to transform the life of every Indian for the better. He taught us that business must have a social purpose beyond profits. He also showed us the way to achieve this purpose by constantly increasing Reliance's societal value and bettering ourselves every year. He emphasized that every generation has to be better than the previous one. That foundational purpose, that passion, and that mission will never change. As we enter the second half of Reliance's golden decade, I can tell you that the future of our company looks brighter to me than ever before. I can confidently make two predictions. First, India will become one of the top 3 economies in the world. And second, Reliance will become one of the strongest and most reputed Indian multinational companies in the world. To seize this humongous opportunity, now is the time to lay the foundation for Reliance's future growth over the coming decades. Just as Dhirubhai has laid a robust foundation for today's Reliance at the beginning of the 1990s, given our existing portfolio, growth engines, and our strong balance sheet, availability of finance and opportunities will be unlimited. What we must focus on is the imperative to build an organizational culture capable of translating these opportunities into reality. Let me share with you 3 imperatives or must-dos that all of us at Reliance must embrace and make it a way of life for all of us. The first imperative: we must never become complacent of what we have achieved in the past. Companies that become laid back because of their previous achievements become footnotes in a history book. Only those become the subject of an entire and forever unfinished book who achieve perpetual growth through constant renewal and reinvention, through perennial paranoia for improving capability and competency, and for always upping their game. I would like the story of Reliance to be told in that book, which has no final chapter, and one which is continually updated with records of bolder initiatives and more glittering successes, and where successive generations create even greater societal value and contribute to India's growth. This is the only way for today's and tomorrow's leaders to earn the right to call themselves the true inheritors of the legacy of Dhirubhai Ambani. Our second imperative: we must continuously revisit, iterate, reiterate, and communicate the common philosophy of We Care that guides and inspires all of us at Reliance. What is this We Care philosophy? I have stated this before, but it merits repetition today. At Reliance, we care for our planet. We care for our nation. We care for our people. We care for our customers.